Hi there, welcome to Titan. Today I'm going to be showing you how your website can look when you use Titan Web and combine it with the power of Salesforce. So today we're going to be looking at a Cricut fan club website. So this is the way that the website looks. Everything here was created just with drag and drop tools, clicks only, no need for code, and all of the data is coming straight from Salesforce. So here's our website. As you can see at the top, we have a header, and on that header, we have different pages listed, the homes, discussions, merchandise, and the Titan team. Today, we're just going to be talking about the home page, and in other videos, we'll show you a little bit more in depth of this website. So here is an image coming from Salesforce, and as you can see, we have 3 different images here that are on a slider, and that's a section in and of itself. And right here, we see awaiting our next match on July 20th, 2021 at 7 p.m. This is coming straight from Salesforce based on the logic that we set in our website so that it's displaying here what the upcoming game is. And for that, we're currently using the campaign object, but you can use any objects you want, standard or custom, when you're building your website and using Salesforce as the CMS. And here it brings the 2 different teams involved in the game, so the Titan Crickets and the Northern Giants. Here are the different people that are going to be playing in the game. We have the coach and the players and the different roles that they have. So just to give you a sneak peek of how this looks in Salesforce, here are the contacts. So let's take one, Brian Lara, and let's go into his contact record in Salesforce and see what we have. So what you're going to see here is that he's on a bunch of different campaigns, and those are the games that he has either in the past or in the future. And here's the one that is coming up, and that's the one being displayed. And let's go to his details. And what you can see here is that I have his title as the batsman. His birth date is December 15th, 1993. I have him listed as an active team player. And here's his image. So his image is being stored in Salesforce, and that's being brought into the web page in Titan Web. Okay, if we go down here, now we have a table that's actually bringing us the different matches that have taken place in recent history and the results. 1 loss, 97 over 4, 93 over 2, the scores, and also some news. So here's news that's happening about the league and what's going on. And now we have some videos embedded into the website, and these are coming straight from YouTube. So I can play a video, I can make it bigger, I can do whatever I want with that. And down at the bottom, we have different merchandise that's for sale using the e-commerce part of our Titan Web platform. And that we're going to be looking into deeper in another video. And down here, we have a contact us form so you can become a member of the fan club. And that's all for the homepage. Stay tuned for more as we dig deeper into this website. Thanks a lot.